Hello everyone, this is Henry, speaking on behalf of Will Duckworth, lead strategist at Narrow Gate Trading. It is March 10, 2025, and as you can see from this screenshot captured from Duckworth's O&R trading account, where he is risking only 1/100th of a lot per trade until he gets a better handle on how to best take advantage of a new 2-day 8-hour approach to trading the foreign currency pairs. His excursion into this new territory has yielded mixed results. Will is looking forward to seeing just how much he can improve on this mediocre performance as time goes on, if at all. He has updated the table he is using to record changes in the direction and strength of 8-hour price action, and will be making decisions based on the following observations. First of all, with the Aussie dollar Japanese yen continuing to trend south from both an 8-hour and 2-day perspective, Duckworth will be waiting to see a pullback in the 2-hour price flow so he can get a second crack at shorting the pair for more than the insignificant gains he realized during this last 24-hour market cycle. He exited his position when price action turned against him, but was then sound asleep when the pair finally resumed its bearish trajectory at 3 in the morning. The Aussie dollar US dollar is essentially neutral from both a 2-day and 8-hour perspective. However, seeing as how price seems to have been rejected, at a convergence or the confluence of an 8-hour and 2-day support level right around 0.6268, Will is likely to be on the watch out for a buy signal in the form of a bullish U-turn in the 60-minute baseline. When it comes to the euro-dollar British pound, Duckworth once again realized only a very small amount of profit. Seeing as how the 2-day trend has remained strong over the last 3 days, this pair remains a strong buy candidate if and when price should happen to descend back down to horizontal support. The euro-dollar Japanese yen is in relatively neutral territory at the moment. Accordingly, it is not of very much interest for the time being. The same is true of the euro-dollar US dollar, even though its 2-day measures remain somewhat bullish. The British pound Japanese yen sees its 8-hour measures heading lower while 2-day price action is headed higher. These conflicting signals means that this pair is also not a particularly attractive trade candidate. On the other hand, the British pound US dollar will become a very attractive buy candidate if it is able to drop down at least to the 1.2830 support level. The 2-day price action on the US dollar loonie is essentially neutral, but 8-hour price flow has made a sharp turn north from its former southbound trajectory, so that a strong argument can be made for buying the pair if it evidences a touch-and-go chart pattern following a temporary pullback. The US dollar Swiss franc is welcome to turn south at any one of these increasingly significant resistance levels if it would be so inclined. And finally, price action observed with respect to the US dollar Japanese yen suggests that this pair too might resume its southbound trajectory at any time. Again, Will hopes to make better use of these observations than he did over the duration of the most recent 24-hour market cycle. In the meantime, he wishes everyone the best of luck. And until next time, if indeed there actually is a next time, may the peace of God be with you. Bye for now.